For every utility, it's important to be able to monitor and observe the behavior of their systems to increase the understanding and also to be able to operate it better. Prior to the smart hydrants, there were actually no meters available in the distribution system at Alftanes. The total amount of leakages in Alftanes was roughly estimated to be 50%, but we did not obviously have any meters or methods to accurately evaluate the existing leakages. We don't have many access points to easily install or implement smart meters. But one beauty of the smart hydrants is that we can use available fire hydrants as an access point. We wanted to use this pressure data to plan and prioritize intended water main repairs and renovation of the season. We were, for example, able to set up a simple experiment and use the 4 smart hydrants to estimate the overall pressure loss caused by this particular leak. It turned out that the overall pressure loss in Alftanes was around 2 to 3 bar. And after fully repairing that leak, the total water that was pumped to Alftanes went from 12 liters per second down to 7 to 8 liters per second. As expected, when we did all of those repairing and renovation of the season, the overall pressure went up, and of course it did trigger new leakages. Being able to detect leakages before they do any damages on the assets or anything is of course very valuable. Damaging some assets or roads or something here in Iceland is as expensive as in Canada, as you can imagine. So the value is also the early detection of leakages. It's huge value in early detection of leakages. For sure, the smart hydrants have provided us with much information that are very valuable for understanding it.